Hello everyone. I'm going to introduce you to how we use Laravel, the PHP framework. The first step is dragging and dropping images and CSS folders into public folder because we've already created a PHP project. Look for public folder, drag CSS into the public folder, then the images into the public folder also, then the HTML is to be dragged into the resources folder inside views. Alright, so the next step is renaming the HTML file to file name .blade.php. So we choose from html.blade.php. Then the second step is creating a controller. Come and create a terminal, new terminal. Then the next step is making a controller. Come into your terminal, run a command php make controller, give it a name, main controller. Then you might need some resources, so main controller -r, give it some time. Then controller created successfully. Then the next step is adding routes into the web.php controller. So let us minimize resources and come to web controller. So we are going to create a route for us to access our index.blade.php file. Yeah. So this is how the command goes. Route get index, then main controller, plus index. Yeah. Terminate. What could be the issue? Then the error is coming from interchange this, comma is here, then the 4 colons. Here. Try to save again. Yeah, we're on the right track. Then import the controller. Inside the controller, create a public function index that can return our index page. That's what we've done here. Sorry. Then we navigate to the routes, then come and say use, import the controller. Use this HTTP main controller that we created. Then the next step is running our application. Come to our terminal, PHP @serve, follow the link to our HP. So this is the default page that displays, but we need to access the index page. So add index, try to run your application. Sure. Here we go. Book an appointment. This is our Laravel project. Okay, the next step is creating models and databases. To create a database, for example, I'm using XAMPP control panel to create my database. Then with XAMPP, start Apache. I've already installed XAMPP. Start Apache and MySQL. Then go to the admin panel in order to access the phpMyAdmin for us to create a database. And we are going to create a database called appointment. Correct database name, appointment. Is it too long? So let's first try to find a suitable name for our database. Let us call the database clinic. It's the name we are going to give to our database. Alright. Clinic. Database created successfully. Then the next step is going back to our VS Code. We are going to create a model. Let me create a new PHP artisan make model. Then we are going to call our model clinic. Right, and create the necessary resources, which is the model, controller, and other resources. This is a command for creating the model. Model created successfully. Migrations, controller, and model have been created. Then these are our next steps. We are going to change our database name in the .env folder. Then add columns in the created migration that we've created of late. So we go to that .env folder. Then we switch database name to clinic. Then after switching the database name to clinic, we add columns to the created migration. Let's close this. Come to database. Find migration. This is 2025. This is the recently created migration. Come here and add the different columns in relation to what we have for our clinic. So we are going to create a field for full name, date, location, phone number. Alright. $sign table. full name, for these you may include full name, terminate, table, need, full name, date, location, phone number, we are creating columns, and is our last one, table, terminate, save. Sorry, we need to change the data types. For a name, the data type is string. Then for date, database data type is date. For location, it will also be string. Phone number, we choose to use double. Then we are going to run our command to migrate the columns to our database, which is php migrate. Migrate, bring some errors, so we can stop here, and our next step in the next video we'll be working on adding fillables in the model to ensure protect our website from MySQL injections. Yeah, thank you, have a good night.